you're thinking about what kind of content should I create in order to attract my targeted audience, be of value to your target audience. So find out what things is stressing your targeted audience out. So in this phase, we are going through pain point research. So when it comes to how to actually attract your targeted audience, what you need to find out is what issues are your targeted audience having. For example, if you are trying to target R&B lovers, right, and you're trying to provide a solution to R&B lovers, then you need to understand what issues they're having. So what you'll see is the perfect place to look for this sort of stuff is something called a forum. All right, so forums are like where people go to discuss things and ask questions, and I really like it because it's like a playground. It's like a treasure trove of like, if you're thinking about how to solve a problem, if you're thinking about what kind of content should I create in order to attract my targeted audience, be of value to your targeted audience. So find out what things is stressing your targeted audience out, and then solve that problem. And then organically, your target is going to come to you. So let's just open up Canva for a second. Now you'll notice that I left behind a keyword research sheet. And here I have like just some sources so that you can see like the professional marketing firms that this is where like my research is grounded in. And so there's just this little write-up in source to show you like, why pain point research is important. And if you scroll down, here's what I started with. So if you look at the search term, so this is the term that I put into Google in order to begin my pain point research. So the term that I started with was Houston R&B Forums. So I wanted to find forums that specifically address like Houston R&B topics, right? Because that's our targeted audience right now, Houston R&B lovers. And so you'll even see, if you want to click that link, it'll take you to the SERPs. So it'll take you to the results of that search term up top. Now, what you'll notice at the bottom is 40. So what I'm doing is going through the 40 results that were returned when I put in this search query of Houston R&B Forums. And what I'm going to do is like go through each of these, and I'm going to see like what are users asking about, what are they having struggles with. So far it's been like, where can I go to find like good live music in different places. Somebody else wanted like one where there's a restaurant and live music. Someone wanted like old school R&B music. Now I'm taking note of two things are happening. One, I'm taking note of the questions that my target has. So my target is asking about, where can I go to get live music? So first of all, this is beautiful. Unlike when you're posting a reel and hoping to it reaches the targeted audience, these people asking this question, they have just communicated that they are someone who is looking actively for R&B and in Houston. The most important thing is, this is like the foundation of our content creation. So pain point research, and then I'm going to do keyword research next. Those two things tell me what type of content I need to create that will organically attract my buyer, right? So if I want to attract Houston R&B lovers, which I was suspicious of, it seems like so far we need to create content that tells them, like directories and reviews, right? Reviews and directories of, here are the best places to go in Houston for R&B. Whether you're located here, whether you want this thing, whether you want food, whether you want live music, here's another big thing. And there's like a website already did it. Here is a list of all the Houston R&B things that are happening tonight. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my time right now. So far what I did was just like do a general like kind of scrub of like what are the pain points. Today what I'm gonna do is go through each of those pages, and then I'm just gonna explore the topics and questions that users are asking for, so that I understand what their pain points are.